Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a full drugstore makeup look for you guys, and I figured why not go a little bit pink. I know I already did a Valentine's Day look, but that was using all higher end products, so I decided to do something a little bit more affordable for you guys who don't want to spend that much money on super expensive makeup. Maybe you don't wear it a lot, or you just have a hard time paying that price. So if you guys want to see how to create this affordable Valentine's Day makeup look, please keep watching. So I'm going to start by priming my face using Covergirl's Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. For my foundation, I'm going to be going in with Covergirl's True Blend Matte Made Foundation in Warm Honey. And I'm just going to I gotta do it with my hair. I always try this. And I'm just going to beauty blend that in. For my concealer today, I'm going to be using NYX's Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contour Concealer. And I'm going to use this in the shade Warm Caramel and Neutral Buff. Warm Caramel is going to be to contour, and Neutral Buff is going to be to highlight. Starting with the contour, I'm just going to beauty blend it in. Now it's a bit of a drier concealer, a bit more matte, so I do it in sections, just so I don't leave it on my face to dry. And then to highlight, using the Neutral Buff. To set this all, I'm going to go in with CoverGirl's Vitalist Healthy Powder. And this is in the shade Classic Ivory. And I know I'm not Ivory, obviously, but I'm not using this as a powder foundation. I'm just using it lightly to set my face. I'm going to start with the under eyes using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A7 brush. And I'm also going to go in with my big Morphe RO brush and just set the rest of my face using this. To warm up my face, I'm going to go in with that same powder, but in the shade Medium Beige with my Beau Belle B4 brush to warm up my face. And then taking a smudger brush, this is my Anastasia Beverly Hills A3, and just contouring my nose a little bit. This powder is just like a couple shades darker, so it's perfect for contouring. And then blending that out with my powder brush, with my under eye powder brush. Now for blush, I'm going to be going in with Pop Beauty's Contour 101, and I'm going to go in with blush on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be going in with CoverGirl Honey Brown Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. To clean up my eyebrow, I'm going to go back in with that concealer in Neutral Buff and going in with my BH Cosmetics 11 brush. And then using what's left over on the brush to just clean up the top. So now moving on to eyes, going back in with that concealer one more time just to prime our eyelids. And I'm going to set that with that same face powder. So I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender. I'm going to take that on a big fluffy brush, and this is my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush. Setting it all the way up to the brow bone. Okay, now for eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with LA Colors Frisky palette. So the first color I'm going to go in with is this fourth color, this nice light brown, and that's going to be my transition shade. I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 brush. Picking up a little bit of that. If the shadow starts to go too far, pick up that brush you used to set your lid. Just kind of blend out any line that gets created. So the next color I'm going to be going in with is this 8th color, this nice magenta-y pinky purple. And I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 brush, the same brush I used to contour my nose. And I'm just going to put this directly in my crease in like a halo. And I'm going to use this Morphe S12 brush to blend that out, picking up a little bit more of it. And using that brush with that brown on it, just to blend the pink into the brown. I'm also going to pack this color in the outer corner and inner corner. Now the last time we're going to go in with concealer is just to cut our middle of our crease to create a halo eye. And I'm going to go back in with that BH Cosmetics 11 brush, picking up some of that concealer. And then you just want to wipe off your concealer brush and just quickly blend out those concealer edges before they dry, just so that the shadow is easier to blend onto them. Now I'm going to go over this cut crease with this very last pink shade, and I'm going to start using my finger. And then going in with that concealer brush to get the edges. Now I'm going to go back in with that dark pink and blend it onto this light pink. Both sides. And then going in with this 5th color, this super light pink, right in the center of my lid. On that same concealer brush again. Just right in the center, blending that out into the lighter pink and into the magenta. Now for my under eye, going back in with that A3 brush, picking up some of that pink and going lightly along my lash line. Then going in with that big fluffy powder brush that we used to set our eyelid with and just brushing out some of that color. As you guys know, I don't like too much color under my eyes. And then going in with a little bit of that brown. Obviously this brush is big, so be careful with whatever brush you're using. And then back in with your big fluffy brush. Now for my inner corner, going in with this second color. I'm going to take that on my Sigma E46 inner corner shader brush. I lied, it's a little bit too yellow. I'm actually going to go in with that light pink again for my inner corner and brow bone. Now for my eyeliner, I'm going to go in with NYX Epic Ink Liner. And I'm just going to draw a thin line along my lash line, just for the lashes to sit on. Now for lashes, I don't actually have any drugstore lashes with me, but I picked the closest ones to like Ardell Whiskies, and these are my Motives Cosmetics number 113. But Ardell is really, really similar to them. And then I'm just going to go over that lash glue just to make sure it's all hidden. For mascara, I'm going to be going in with Revlon's Volumazing. Making sure to get it on the top and bottom. For highlight, I'm actually going to be going in with NYX's Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder. And this is in the shade Synthetica. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced highlighting brush. I'm also going to place some on my cupid's bow. And my nose. And now for lips, I'm going to be going in with NYX's Lip Lingerie, and this is in Lipli. I'm going to just make sure my lips are lip balmed first, because matte lipsticks always tend to dry my lips out. And then quickly to set my face, I'm going to be going in with NYX's Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also, leave any comments below if you guys have questions or requests for future videos. And hopefully this look inspires you to either recreate it or create a look of your own. Thank you guys again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.